In this video, I'll show you how to create Telegram channel. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, if you want to create a Telegram channel, what you're going to do right now, head over to your Telegram, right? On your Telegram, you're going to see this pen icon right here. So click on it. From there, you'll be displayed with some options. This is the new channel, the new group, the new message. So I want to create the channel, right? I'm going to click on this new channel, right? And once I click on it, it's going to open up, right? Once it has opened up, I can add up any one of my choice from here. Let's say I want to add up, let me say Joshua, right? Once I'm done, I'm going to click on this, and you can input the name of the channel you want. I can just name it HowTo Edu, right? So I can just type in entrepreneurship. So once I'm done, I'm going to just click right here. I can still come on here and add a profile picture if I want. I can just add up this, click on open. All right, so I'm going to click on this. So once I'm done, I'm going to click on this right here, and our Telegram channel is ready. So this is our Telegram channel, HowTo Edu. So this was just like a basic tutorial step by step. But now we can create Telegram channel. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I'm going to see you all in the very next one.